channel Kavita's Creative Recipes. Sorry, I couldn't post any video for a long time because I was held up with some other work commitments. So today the recipe I am sharing with you is a pumpkin exotic rice dish. It's very healthy, it's loaded with vegetables, it's colorful, and of course it tastes really delicious. So do try it, friends, and let me know how you all like it. Let's get started.
First, take the pumpkin and peel it and roughly chop it like this. We are going to pressure cook it, so you can chop it anyhow. Big chunks will do. And then take the red bell pepper and chop it like this. For this recipe, to make the puree, we need the red bell pepper. And one medium-sized onion. In a pressure cooker, add around 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and the chopped vegetables, the pumpkin, the red bell pepper, and the onion. We have to saute these veggies in the cooker for around 2 to 3 minutes and then add water and pressure cook it till it's mushy. Now let's make the herbed rice. For the herbed rice, in a pan, we add around 2 or 3 teaspoons of butter, 1.5 cups of soaked basmati rice, saute it for few seconds, and then add double the quantity of water, that's 3 cups of water, salt, and herbs. We actually have to add fresh herbs in this recipe, but since I didn't have any fresh herbs at home, so I'm using the dry oregano. In case you have herbs like celery, parsley, oregano, basil, you can use 2 or 3 of them in this recipe. Our herbed rice is ready. Our vegetables are also cooked. Now we have to make a puree out of this. Next, in a kadai, add some oil, around 5 to 6 teaspoons of olive oil. We are going to make the veggie stir fry. I'll quickly take you through the ingredients. Now add around 2 teaspoons of garlic. At this stage, if you want it spicy, you can add 3 to 4 green chili or dry red chili also. Onions, and saute for few minutes. Next we add zucchini, broccoli. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Yellow bell pepper. You can add mushrooms also if you eat. Red bell pepper. capsicum, purple cabbage, you can add baby corn, sweet corn also if you want, salt to taste, white pepper, oregano, chili flakes, you can add it how spicy you like it, mixed herbs, and give it a nice mix. Now we add the puree, the pumpkin puree, and give it a nice mix. We adjust the quantity by adding some water. If it's too thick, you can add little water. Now our vegetable stir fry is ready with the pumpkin gravy. Our rice is also ready. I'll just show you how to do the plating. Put the rice in a cup like this and then spread the vegetables all over. Now we sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. I'm using the dry one. If you have the fresh one, you can use the fresh one also. And some herbs. Our pumpkin exotic rice dish is ready. Do try it, friends.
So friends, if you have liked this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends too for many more such interesting, different and healthy recipes. And when you try it, do let me know how you all liked it and share a comment also. Thank you.